Hi there, it's Princess, and today we'll be talking about eating healthy for cancer patients. So this is vital. Eating well is vital to cancer patients, strictly because it does not delay your treatment, and it can also help towards the side effects towards cancer. So you wouldn't feel so much the annoying things like diarrhea or back pain. Firstly, don't diet extreme, because your particular diet could leave out some key nutrients. Focus on a balanced eating diet. Ask an oncologist or nutritionist if you need those extra calories and protein vital to your strength during treatment. Whole grains, breads and cereals. So this is for choosing healthy foods. Choosing healthy foods is vital, obviously. So the healthy foods that the Cancer Health Center suggests is eating whole grain breads and cereals. 100% fruit or vegetable juices. Make sure they're pasteurized, because you could be drawn to more germs during cancer treatment. Or otherwise, if it's going to be fruit, just cut up your favorite fruit and juice it, drink. You need to get the 5 fruits, vegetables of the day. Fill half your plates with veggies and fruit. With any type of dinner, you can have any type of dinner, just stay away from the greasy foods. A few times a week, choose meatless meals like vegetarian lasagna or veggie stir fry, because in some meats you might not even see there's germs. Germs can be good for you, in fact, but for curing cancer, just stay away from mainly greasy meals and too much meat. So meatless meals, vegetarian. Snack on carrot sticks, sweet pepper slices of fresh dried fruits. Eat leafy green salad with dinner, so vegetables with dinner. Limit sugar intake with those kinds of sugars with less lots of calories and little nutrition. So no lollies. You can eat cakes if you want, but very limited. So just limit your intake on sugar. Next, yes, also eat lean meats and fish more often than red meat and processed meats, because they have less germs and viruses. Next is eat even with no appetite. So even if you have an appetite, eat. It's very healthy for cancer victims to eat during lack of appetite. So lack of appetite is actually common during treatment. Can also make some food taste unpleasant. Even if you don't have an appetite, it's important and adequate to get your nutrition intake a lot. So here's what you do. You choose high calorie nutrition rich foods like avocados, nuts, beans, seeds, puddings, and cooked cereals. Eat small meals throughout the day, even when you're not hungry. Don't wait till you're hungry to eat. Eat at certain times of the day. Keep your favorite foods close to you, because even your favorite foods are good for you. So make meals look appealing. Add parsley, cherry tomatoes, other colourful garnishes to your plate. So that would encourage you to eat healthy. Ease your side effects with foods as well. Certain foods help ease common discomforts from cancer treatment. So to conquer constipation, drink lots of water, eat high fiber foods like beans, lentils, vegetables, fresh or dried fruit. To get rid of diarrhea, eat mainly bland foods like rice, bananas and apples. Drink lots of water, stay hydrated. Okay, so the next part is protect mouth and sores and avoid getting a dry mouth. To do this, grind or puree foods to make easier to swallow, or eat pre-soft foods, so foods that are already soft and you can eat just like that, and mostly liquid like soups, milk. Make the milk light or low fat, or yogurt shakes. To nix nausea, choose bland foods and those without strong odours. Stay clear of greasy foods. Go easy on your stomach. Eat small meals throughout the day. Drink plenty of water, even during vomiting. So during vomiting, wash your mouth out, drink some water. If you need to vomit more, it's actually healthy to vomit too, so if you need to vomit, get it out. So next is focus on food safety, and this is the last bit of the short video. So but is also very important. Food safety is important with anybody, but still vital to cancer treatment. So also actually some cancer treatments weaken your immune system. It just temporarily affects it. Avoid any germs that you could pick up from food. So like contamination food makes you quite sick, so keep safe with these tips. So avoid cracked or unrefrigerated eggs. Don't eat food past the expiry date. Throw away moldy foods. Cook all your meals until well done, because any undercooked foods could still have germs. Any overcooked foods you're gonna have to throw away. Don't buy in bulk. Don't buy bulk foods from open bins like salad greens. And keep perishable foods in the fridge until you're prepared to make them. So when you want to make them, you have to take them out of the fridge, keep them in the fridge. Other than that, at all times, prep foods on clean surfaces. Make sure you wipe the surface with hot soapy water first, and of course make sure it's dry before you put the foods on the sink, because soap is really not good for anybody down the throat. So this may cause more dishes, but it's actually helpful towards getting rid of germs or not making germs by mixing up food. So use separate cutting boards for raw meat, raw fish, or poultry. I can never say that word. Poultry. Okay, you know what I mean. Okay, so wash the boards thoroughly after use, because even the germs you can't see. So a rinse won't get rid of the germs, so do wash it. Scrub, and last but not least, scrub and rinse fruit and veggie thorough. Don't eat any fruit or vegetables that you can't wash easily, like raspberries. For the fruits and veg that you do like though, so if you can't wash the vegetables such as like spinach or cabbage easily, which you can wash them easily, but just take off the bad leaves and stuff, and you can still eat the fruits and vegetables that are not easy, in my opinion, you can just take off the bad bits, then wash thoroughly. So like scrub the outsides of the bigger fruits, scrub the outsides of any fruit and vegetables. If it's a soft vegetable, just rub it together and that'll clean it properly, even if you don't eat them, like the rind of melon. So there you go. There's mainly the important tips towards helping your cancer. If you want to know any more other tips on anything else, just let me know in the comments. Please subscribe and let me know what you think. Also, good luck with treating your cancer.